on up.
What are you waiting for? Hit play. Let's get this party started.
Tempo has reached critical level. Tempo has reached critical level.
This is Vanya Settleman, and you're listening to my daddy at work.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's time to have fun.
Come right in. Sit right down and join the rest of the suckers.
Welcome to another edition of Thunderdome.
This is Fusion Life Radio.
Friday night. Welcome, boys and girls. Welcome to your Friday evening in the company of Nishal Saraway. Alan Shetty, first comment on the show tonight. Hey, how you doing? Good. I'm fine. It's been a lovely Friday. Rishan Kandai sending a special shout out to little Jyoti in Durban as well. 5 years old and already loving Nagara music. To my brother DJ Boogie, Rivash, how you doing, but Chantal Hariprasad, I've got your song on the playlist tonight, Chantal. Bring your friends. Jyoti saying happy birthday to her daddy, Reshan. And all of these folks out in Newlands today. Happy birthday, Rishan, from us here as well. Fusion Life Radio, it is on a Friday night. Share the video, share the love. www.fusionlife.com. FusionLifeRadio.com. Share the video, let's bring your friends in. Zahra Maraj, hello. Sanjay Ganeshan, welcome. And to the people at Fusion, or rather chutneymusic.com. Good to have you guys listening in tonight as well.
This is Fusion Life Radio.
Instrumentals as we start the night off. As always, Monica Mudley, welcome. Rahana Ramraj. Munir Masti is here as well. Share the video. Tag your friends, bring them in. Let's have a Friday night party. We'll start it right here. It's all about you. And the hot chutney. what you're having, but my bhajia bites, I think, are just coming out the oil right now. Chili bites! On a bit of a chilly Friday evening. Now, Chantal, I said that your song's on the playlist. Here she is. Eastern Touch with Chantal doing the voice work on it. Cecily warming up your Friday evening from our side here in Durban.
This is Fusion Life Radio.
And that's what you're listening to. I want you to try something out, right? Go to it. It's fusionliferadio.com. Beautiful website. Check it out. That's where you can listen to Fusion Life Radio the entire day. 24 hours a day. But you know, the party's here on the weekend with your DJs from Friday all the way through until Sunday. Every evening, bringing you only the hits. That wasn't a joke. Sonanoya. This man was fire in his time. Talk about warming it up and talk about bringing the heat to you. Fusion Life Radio. I'm Nishal Saran. Good evening.
Next door.
hottest DJs, the hottest music. This is Fusion Life Radio.
The best music on the best station.
You're in the mix with Nick Storm.
I've got Sunny Nayan out of the islands. One of the greats in chutney from way back when. Here's a South African legend now. I used to call him the king of chutney, the late, great Ashok Ramchandar. And if you know the words, you know what to do.
Dada ke posala pasal ka chiraiya, Dada ke posala pasal ka chiraiya, ural jala lal ka chiraiya, aho ram lal ka chiraiya, ural jala lal ka chiraiya, aho ram lal ka chiraiya. राजा के पिछवरिया में चंदन के घटिया, राजा के पिछवरिया में, राजा के पिछवरिया में चंदन के घटिया बैठी हो गई, अरे बैठी गई चंदन के घरवा, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, अरे बैठी गई चंदन के घरवा, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया. घर से ही निकलेला छोटकी ना नदिया, घर से ही निकलेला, घर से ही निकलेला छोटकी ना नदिया, देखने लागे ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, अरे देखने लागे ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया. घर से ही निकलेला छोटका देवरवा, घर से ही निकलेला, घर से ही निकलेला छोटका देवरवा, देखने लागे ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, देखने लागे ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया.
Zahra Miraj is saying that she wants to Ghum Ke Nach. Go for it. It's your time.
राजा के पिछवरिया में चंदन के घटिया, राजा के पिछवरिया में, राजा के पिछवरिया में चंदन के खटिया बैठी हो गई, अरे बैठी गई न चंदन के घरवा, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, अरे बैठी गई न चंदन के घरवा, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया. दादा के पोसल पसल ललका चिरैया, दादा के पोसल पसल ललका चिरैया, उड़ल जाला ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, उड़ल जाला ललका चिरैया, अहो राम ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया, ललका चिरैया.
South African legend he is. The late, great Mr. Ashok Ramchandar.
You're in the mix with Nick Storm.
Indeed you are. So a couple of days ago on Facebook, DJ Boogie and a few of us were discussing this band. They go by the name of Suhana Sangeet. Or should I put that in past tense? They went by the name of Suhana Sangeet. Yeah. This is from what I think was one of their hottest CDs ever released. Hey, you tell me, is this a chutney group or is this a full-on band? And they won one of their hits, Budget Nagara Ki Do.
बाजे नगारा की ढोल आज घर दुल्हा बाजे नगारा की ढोल आज घर दुल्हा बाजे नगारा की ढोल बाजे नगारा की ढोल आज घर दुल्हा बाजे नगारा की ढोल.
Hey Tina, welcome.
जब दुल्हा अज द्वारी पे आवे 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 सास की आरती उतारे कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे. जब दुल्हा अज सिंदूर लगावे जब दुल्हा अज सिंदूर लगावे
जब दुल्हा अज सिंदूर लगावे जब दुल्हा अज सिंदूर लगावे
सबके खुशियाँ मनावे कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल कि आज घर दुल्हा आवे बाजे नगारा की ढोल
Hello to our folks from all over the world that are listening in right now. Great to have you with us. Fusion Live Radio in South Africa, Indonesia, the USA, Ireland. Our folks in Mauritius, Trinidad, Tobago, Guyana. What a blessing to have you on. New Zealand, Australia. Share the video, let it go worldwide, and bring everybody into this South African party.
Hi, I'm Kuvesh from the Nagaro Touch. Hi, I'm Kuvesh from the Nagaro Touch.
Hi, this is Vikesh Munilal. You are listening to Nishal Sarwan.
I'm Story Jumbo. I met this pretty gal, boy, she live in Guyana. She says she want to be my lifetime partner. I say, gal, I love my belly. So if you really want me, you go learn to clap roti.
You know what to do, come on.
Roti, clap roti. If you want me in your life.
Oh, yeah?
Clap roti, clap roti. If you want to be my wife.
Island style.
Clap roti, listen what I say.
Here we go.
Clap roti, and I want it night and day. Yo, this is the Hunterman, live and direct in the Pungalung factory. And don't know, this one is for all the kindest ladies on the outside. Boom, blazing fire. Hunterman, let's go. I love me baigan choka, I love me dokori, I love me egg bala, and I love me pulori. I love tomatoes choka, and that is a fact. I want some clap roti, just to go with that. Clap roti, if you want me in your life. Clap roti, if you want to be my wife. Clap roti, listen what I say. I want me clap roti, and I want it night and day. Go to Eugene, learn to make clap roti. I like duck curry, I like egg ball, I like baigan choka. You done know, Hunterman say so. So all the guys, girls, boom, blazing fire, big up baby, big up. Brrr. I don't care about your shape, girl, forget your fingernails. I don't pass through them things, girl, them things get stale. I want a girl who could clap good roti, not the kind to sit down and want to look pretty. Come on. Clap roti, if you want me in your life. Clap roti, if you want to be my wife. Clap roti, listen what I say. I want me clap roti, and I want it night and day. Clap roti, if you want me in your life. Clap roti, if you want to be my wife. Clap roti, listen what I say. I want me clap roti, and I want it night and day.
Now here's another legend of South African chutney music. The guy's been around for a long time. Many CDs and recordings to his name. Many comments on this feed as well. He's right there, you can talk to him. Vikesh Munilal. Hey! One of my favorites, this one here. Mind you, he sang this song at my Hardinat.
Koi na banavela, koi na banavela, koi na banavela, koi na banavela. Rama ke bigaadal patiya, koi na banavela. Rama ke bigaadal patiya, koi na banavela. मन बिगड़े जाना की माता राम बिगड़ के लक्ष्मण बिगड़े जाना की माता बिगड़ा ले जाना की माता बिगड़ा ले जाना की माता राम बिगड़ के लक्ष्मण बिगड़े जाना की माता बिगड़ा ले जाना की माता अंजनी पुत्र हनुमान बिगड़ गए अंजनी पुत्र हनुमान बिगड़ गए सोनही में लंका जड़ावे सोनही
जड़ावे हो रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला 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 रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला करनी पाओ अंगना लिपाओ और लिपाओ जाओ करनी पाओ अंगना लिपाओ और लिपाओ जाओ अंजनी को टाड़िया कोई ना लिपावे अंजनी को टाड़िया कोई ना लिपावे सूरदास बलि जावे सूरदास बलि जावे रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला 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 रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला रामा के बिगाड़ल बतिया कोई ना बनावेला रामा के
So our guys that are listening in from Johannesburg, great to have you with us. 10 to all up. Sanjay, nice to see you there, buddy. And yes, you're right when Vikesh fiddles with the lyrics. Daat wala na. DJ Boogie. Oh, here we go. It's a recording from many years ago. Absolute scorcher, that one of my favorites. Here's another one of my favorites. The lady's from Kenya. She's living here in Durban now. The song was produced by San at San Productions. Beautiful video that you can go check out on YouTube. This remix by DJ Dizzy D. The South African version, mostly Rasoy Halwa. Club style.
This is Fusion Life Radio.
Yes, indeed, we're hoping we're warming it out in Ladysmith. Naveen and everybody else that's, or Nathan and everybody else that's listening in Ladysmith.
शक्ति की ना भरने पत्थरवा
Storm.
This is Fusion Life Radio.
Go ahead, Daddy. DJ Nick Storm.
Shout out to Rakesh and the family in Johannesburg, sending a message out to all of their family listening in. Guys, going to remind you, if you're sending WhatsApp via the website, keep it short and sweet. Divesh Pandey with the remix done by DJ Dizzy D. Oh man, you absolutely gotta love that one. South African chutney music. Take it to the dance floor, put it in a nightclub, no problem, it works anywhere. Here's a South African band that's doing brilliantly at the moment. Sand Productions released a CD back in 2019. So I took 3 songs from there, mashed it up together. Here's an exclusive, Nick Storm versus Sand Productions. medley. To Ranil and the crew that's listening in right now, lovely to see your faces there. Tina and Nishi having their own little party. Abig, Samiksha, Hazet. I'll tell you what you can do for me right now, really quick favor. Click the share button. Go for it. Newcastle peeps that are listening in now, how's it? Welcome. That's right, tag your friends, share the video. Let's make the circle bigger. Here we go. 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 Fire. Too good. Just remember, you're not going to hear this one here on any other radio station. Exclusive to Nick Storm, therefore exclusive to Fusion Life Radio. But you can buy the CD at your local CD store.
Tunes from the dopest DJ.
So we take it from Zan Productions and take it to the original Kings of Chutney. Here's Morton Chutney Group.
Nana ko deiye, nani ko deiye, 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 kaka ko deiye, kaki ko deiye, kaka ko deiye, kaki ko deiye, ki godna, sasu
सासू हमारी गोदे की गोदना लगे ना नजरिया के चले गोदनारी न
लगे ना नजरिया पे चले गोदनारी न
की गोदना सासू हमारी गोदे की गोदना सासू हमारी गोदे की गोदना Pupa go deiye, pupa go deiye,
पुप्पा को दे ले पुआ को दे ले
pupa go deiye, pupa go deiye,
पुप्पा को दे ले पुआ को दे ले
भैया को दeiye, भाभी को दeiye, भैया को दeiye, भाभी को दeiye की गोदना सासू हमारी को दeiye की गोदना सासू हमारी को दeiye की गोदना टिकवा पर टीक बोले मोटियन पर गांजा
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 सब कन्ना मिलकर बोले हल्लो पर का दादा सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना लगे ना नजरिया के चले गोदनारी न लगे ना नजरिया के चले गोदनारी न की गोदना सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना
Prashant, I see you enjoying yourself with this one here. Tina, bringing back some memories. Selena, nice to see you there. Somebody's saying ask for a bira. It's a bit early for that, guys. Vish, how you doing? Masumi, welcome to Fusion Live Radio.
मौसा को दहिए मौसी को दहिए
मौसा को दे ले मौसी को दे ले
मौसा को दहिए मौसी को दहिए
मौसा को दे ले मौसी को दे ले
मामा को दहिए मामी को दहिए मामा को दहिए मामी को दहिए की गोदना सासू हमारी को दहिए की गोदना सासू हमारी को दहिए की गोदना सांझवा से आलू आया यही तो भैया मौका सांझवा से आलू आया यही तो भैया मौका खोद खोद के आलू भैया आलू बन गए चौका सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना सासू हमारी को दे की गोदना
Now, Zara, I tell you what, my problem at the moment is on my side anyway. The comments and the dancing and everything is flying so fast. I don't know what you're asking for. You said, are we on? What are we on for? Richet, yesterday's Morton Chutney. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
नाना को दहिए नानी को दहिए
नाना को दे ले नानी को दे ले
नाना को दहिए नानी को दहिए
नाना को दे ले नानी को दे ले
फूफा को दहिए फूआ को दहिए फूफा को दहिए फूआ को दहिए की गोदना सासू हमारी को दहिए की गोदना सासू हमारी को दहिए की गोदना गरम गरम तरकारी पके दे हमसे तोरा नीचे गिलगिल गोरा सासू हमारी को ले की गोदना सासू हमारी को ले की गोदना लगे ना नजरिया के चले गोदना हरिना लगे ना नजरिया पे चले गोदना हरिना की गोदना सासू हमारी को ले की गोदना सासू हमारी को ले की गोदना सासू हमारी को ले सासू हमारी को ले की गोदना 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 सासू हमारी को ले
I'm going to be honest, that is absolutely one of my favorites from that beautiful band, known as Morton Chutney.
Oh, don't you touch my charwa.
Why?
Oh, don't you touch my charwa. Amar devara, don't touch my charwa. Amar devara, don't touch my charwa. Amar devara, don't touch my charwa.
For Selena, who's listening in, this one's for you. Sima, how you doing? Let's go, 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 go. Prashana just did. So Nishan says you guys mustn't dance too much because your Nara will shift. I'll tell you what, if your Nara shifts, you can call up DJ Boogie, he'll pull your Uchi.
I went to Jariva, I couldn't get a call. I went to Jariva, I couldn't get a call. I jumped on the Becky boy, and Becky was a hot. Don't touch my Jariva, I'm on a Devara. Don't touch my Jariva, I'm on a Devara. Don't you touch my Jariva, I'm on a Devara. Don't 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 touch my Jariva.
Rich Tech. Oh man, absolutely beautiful. Yep. So somebody asked, I think it was Rakesh, asked for a Madan Maharaj song. I actually don't have one. The original King of Chutney. Kishore Siv. Bhakti Nagara. Make some space, you're going to dance for this one, trust me.
दिया नहीं बाती पहिले दिया नहीं बाती पहिले हो या नहीं बाती पहिले दिया नहीं बाती पहिले हर दिन दसवे बेटी कल दिन हरावा एक दिन हर दिन दसवे बेटी कल दिन हरावा एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कोई नहीं भैया पकार जमाले ही चलेला कोई नहीं संगावा मोर साथी 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 कोई नहीं दिन दसवे बेटी के लीन हरावा एक दिन हरावा एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन गंगा जमुनवा के भालू रतिया मैया जमुनवा के भालू रतिया मैया आज भाग लगावे अजमैया आज भाग लगावे अजमैया आज भाग लगावे अजमैया आज भाग लगावे अजमैया हर दिन देसवे बेटी के लीन हरावा एक दिन हर दिन देसवे बेटी के लीन हरावा एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कबीर धरो हम दास के सबदम कबीर धरो हम दास के सबदम बंदी हो लगावे 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 दिन दसवे बेटी के लीन हरावा एक दिन हर दिन दसवे बेटी के लीन हरावा एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन कसोररिया जाना एक दिन
Michelle Sarawan.
Hotter, spicier than your mama's curry. Go ahead, Daddy. DJ Nick Storm.
If you just wanted to sway from left to right, chill, slow it down a little bit. This is the one to do it with. Chanel's asking all the right questions, eh? DJ Boogie's writing down the lyrics, 3 words at a time.
Best music on the best station.
The hottest DJs, the hottest music. This is Fusion Life Radio.
You're in the mix with Nick Storm.
अर्जिया घबराए बाबा माना घबराए अर्जिया घबराए बाबा माना घबराए I got a married to a Buruaga I know I got a married to a Buruaga Jiya घबराए बाबा माना घबराए
I'm just wondering if Shane is still standing at the boot. Is he the bartender or is he the boot's best customer? Loving the comments, I must say that. I'm loving the comments. You guys are brilliant.
When we were courting, we had a lot of fun. When we were courting, we had a lot of fun. After we got married, that's when it all began. Bhaiya, I got married to a Buruwa guy. Bhaiya, I got married to a Buruwa guy. How he's hurting me. Bhaiya, I got married to a Burwa guy. Ayo, I got married to a Burwa guy.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Papa mana gabrai. Jiya gabrai, Papa mana gabrai. Ayo, I got married to a Burwa guy. Ayo, I got married to a Burwa guy.
The baddest tunes from the dopest DJ.
My favorite DJ, Nick Storm.
So I'm going to slow you guys down a little bit. I'm looking at the requests. One or two I can do. The Madan Maharaj. Rakesh, I've got some Madan Maharaj, but the quality, it's not the kind of quality I want to play. Do you know why you're looking at all that? Thanks, V. We'll do that next week. Jay Saraswati Sangeet from Shawcross and Durban. Malin Kebeti, come on. Come on.
मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मैं हो उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे
I see Nishan is acting like Agua now, eh? You're looking for a nice girl for that fella. Good luck.
दुल्हनिया की है बहाना दुल्हनिया की है बहाना और की है बहाना मैं उसको दीवाना ऐसा दुल्हनिया की है बहाना दुल्हनिया की है बहाना और की है बहाना मैं उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे 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 मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी परी है दीवानी मैं हो उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे ऐसा समदनिया की है बहाना ऐसा समदनिया की है बहाना मैं उसको दीवाना ऐसा समदनिया की है बहाना ऐसा समदनिया की है बहाना मैं उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे 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 मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मैं उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे 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 जंगयो जंगयो 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 जान गयो रे मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी मालिन के बेटी परी है दीवानी परी है दीवानी मैं उसको दीवाना तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे 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 तोर ससुररिया हम जान गयो रे
Michelle Zerwan.
Hotter, spicier than your mama's curry. Go ahead, Daddy. DJ Nick Storm.
Let's take it back down to the islands. Roger Knighty has it. Roger, I'm not the one that dances with trees, buddy. That's you. You asked for it. Here it is. Taking you back to the islands. Dobraj Prasad. Rafi B. Gungagana.
Sab pariwar uchur manawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Gunga gana Gunga gana Gunga gana Gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Everybody do the dance wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes and hang it up wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes look at it no wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes and hang it up wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes Gunga gawe langara nache andha ke man aave Gunga gawe langara nache andha ke man aave Teen ke peeche ka
This is Fusion Life Radio.
Rigun se ki batawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Everybody do the dance wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes and hang it up wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes look at it no wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes and hang it up wash the clothes hang it up wash the clothes Tatis raag aur tatis ragni pancha sugan sawi Tatis raag aur tatis ragni pancha sugan sawi Are gama sare gama gunga gawe Are gama sare gama gunga gawe Bahira ke man bhave Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Gunga gana gawe Sab pariwar uchur manawe Sab
National Party Anthem.
It's a medley. You know me, I like my medleys. And this is one of the hottest medleys ever made. You're gonna shake what your mama gave you, come on. The party's on. Fusion Live Radio. Here we go, 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 here we go. If you know the words, come on, sing with me. That's right, in a Bhangra Boat style, with your Bhangra Boat DJs, exclusive to Fusion Live Radio.
This is Fusion Live Radio.
Moxina
मौसी रसोई में हलवा अरे बटरवा ओ बटरवा ए बटरवा को दे मौसी रसोई में हलवा
So this next part is for Masumi. Because she's going to be a Mosi for the 4th time. You must buy them a TV now, Masumi. Somebody said don't remind the DJ. We got half an hour bus. 27 minutes actually left to play. So many requests, I cannot fit them all in. We'll do our best.
Go ahead, Daddy. Go ahead, Daddy.
Nick Storm.
DJ Nick Storm.
Somebody was screaming for Nagara Express. Here it is. Vikesh Munir are still having some fun. Yes, man, after the second kid, you buy another TV. It's as simple as that. Have you seen the price of Pampers? Anyway, shake your bum. Here we go. time. Come on. It's all on the hips, yeah. You got to shake what your mama gave you. Come on.
Vikesh Munilal.
All right, so I'm looking at the comment count, and it's under 1,500. Here's my challenge to you guys: bring that comment count up to at least 1/6 on the main video, at least. Come on! Oh, time to go round and round. Come on! Come on! Come on! Yeah, 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 yeah.
Vikesh Munilal. Vikesh Munilal. Hi, this is Vikesh Munilal. You are listening to Nishal Sarwan.
here's a little bit of Vikesh Munilal, but it's not the one I wanted to play, so I'm going to change it up really quickly because this one, I think, will get you guys singing along.
Vikesh Munilal. Vikesh Munilal. Vikesh Munilal. It's Vikesh Munilal. You are listening to Nishal Sarwan.
Bagla pani when she come. She'll be drinking bagla pani when she come. She'll be drinking bagla pani. She'll be drinking bagla pani. She'll be drinking bagla pani when she come.
That's when Nani's riding the bicycle.
Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya.
Come on. So it's true that whenever this lockdown ends, we are planning to bring a Chutney Nagara Bhangra night to Johannesburg. Fusion Live Radio. The Bhangra Boat DJs, hoping to be in your town.
She'll be wearing shorty pajamas when she comes. She'll be wearing shorty pajamas when she comes. She'll be wearing shorty pajamas. She'll be wearing shorty pajamas. She'll be wearing shorty pajamas when she comes. When she comes, singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya.
Come on.
Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya.
We will do a show in Durban as well for our Durban crew.
She'll be wearing Agra choli when she comes. She'll be wearing Agra choli when she comes. She'll be wearing Agra choli. She'll be wearing Agra choli. She'll be wearing Agra choli when she comes. When she comes, singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya.
Come on, come on.
Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya. She'll be drinking bagla pani when she comes. She'll be wearing naughty pajamas when she comes. She'll be wearing Agra choli. She'll be wearing Agra choli. She'll be drinking bagla pani when she comes. When she comes, singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya. Singing ya ya, hippity hippity ya.
Nishal Sarwan.
Hotter, spicier than your mama's curry.
You can better believe it. Absolutely better believe it. You asked for it, here it is.
तोता नहीं है मोरे भाई जिनके पहले अगिन कहती थी बोले राम समायन की सन तोता नहीं है मोरे भाई
Shout out to Nikesh really quickly.
जिनके पहले अगिन कहती थी ये सीता समायन ऐसन क्रिया नहीं है सीता समायन ईसन क्रिया नहीं है मोरे भाई जिनके पहले अगिन की थी सुनो सियावर रामचंद्र की जय
About that renewal. If Johnny can't walk, James' son will help him. PDC closing up the show. I'm just looking at my messages and I'm back at 11. So you've got Sanveer up next from 9 to 11. I'm going to give you some Bhangra vibes later on tonight. I'll come back at 11.
ओ दादा मोरे तेरे बिन जल्दी नहीं यार बोले जल्दी हो राम मोरे दुश्मनी दोता तेरे बिन जल्दी नहीं यार ओ दादा मोरे तेरे बिन जल्दी नहीं यार आपन मोहलिया रे सीता पुकर गिरे अपन मोहलिया रे सीता पुकर गिरे अजय गावे गरे लक्ष्मण राम ओ दाद मोरे गावे गरे लक्ष्मण राम अजय सूर सती सुर वन के भवानी मोर माता अजय सूर सती सुर वन के भवानी मोर माता ओ देवी मैया कंटे बाहिर के है मोर ए देवी मैया कंटे बाहिर के है मोर कालियो भवानी के रासन की रानी भैया कालियो भवानी के रासन की रानी भैया मैया दे दे दूध के धार ओ काली मैया दे दे दूध के धार पुकर न कोई ओ दाद मोरे दस्तक पुकर न कोई बोले राम राम सब कोई पुकर ले दस्तक पुकर न कोई ओ दाद मोरे दस्तक पुकर न कोई ये को बाहर तो दशरथ बोलो बाहर तो दशरथ बोलो हरि संगवा नाचे मोर घाव लगे रुसम बो हुई गेल पूरनिया 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 वारे धुन करे रतिया के ढुमका हे धुन वारे धुन करे रतिया के ढुमका बोले तुलसी तुलसी सब कोई गई गेल मोर माता की तुलसी जगत में प्राण हो दाद मोरी तुलसी जगत में प्राण बोले तुलसी तुलसी सब कोई गई गेल मोर माता जगत में प्राण हो दाद मोरी तुलसी जगत में प्राण राम के चावल सात समुंदर नाम के ला चावल साथ समुंदर आगे जुआबा नीले जहाज हो दाद मोरे गे जुआबा नीले जहाज धरती माता तोक जगे के हतोक जगे के कोयला जग विरसियार हो दाद मोरे कोयला जग विरसियार धरती माता तोक जगे के हतोक जगे के कोयला जग विरसियार हो दाद मोरे कोयला जग विरसियार हनुमान मांगे हमरे पचाई बोलती पतिया हमार हो दाद मोरे बोलती पतिया हमार हनुमान मांगे हमरे पचाई हो हमरे पचाई बोलती पतिया हमार हो दाद मोरे बोलती पतिया हमार मन कले राम जी की अरती मन कले राम जी की अरती मन कले राम जी की अरते 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 दुख में राम नाम नहीं आवे दुख में राम को कर ले दुख में राम नाम नहीं आवे दुख में राम को कर ले दुख में राम नाम नहीं आवे दुख में राम को कर ले दुख में राम नाम नहीं आवे दुख में राम को कर ले तुलसीदास अभो नहीं बिगड़ी तुलसीदास अभो नहीं बिगड़ी हरि हरि नाम पुकारे मन गले राम जी की अरते मन गले राम जी की अरते मन गले राम जी की अरते ओ मन गले राम जी की अरते मन गले राम जी की अरते ओ मन गले राम जी की अरते ओ मन गले राम जी की अरते
Last chance for you to move. No. You've got DJ Sanveer coming up on Fusion Live Radio between 9 and 11. I'm back at 11. A different vibe, a bungalow vibe. But in the meantime... yet. Warming up the dance floor for DJ Sinvera out in Johannesburg. Taking you between 9 and 11. I'll keep you company from 11 to 12. From me to you, it's been absolutely awesome. Thank you for spending your Friday night with me. I'll catch you again at 11 on Fusion Live Radio. And that's it for the show for tonight, folks. Remember, I'm back at 11, filling in for DJ Nivad Singh, who's taking care of some family business tonight. So from me to you, chill out, relax. I'll catch you again later.